Good day, everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa has emphatically said that if the African National Congress does not renew itself, that it will perish. So this ties in with what Lessufi said, the Gauteng Premier, with regards to the African National Congress, and they have ANC workers toy-toying and protesting outside of their meeting that they're having at the moment, saying that they haven't been paid their salaries. So the African National Congress on its way out, and this is not for or against the ANC. This was always an inevitable outcome that the ANC would cease to exist. And I've always said all you need to be concerned with is what will replace it. What will be the center of power within South Africa? And you do need to be concerned about that and not just think that whatever will come will be better than what we have now. And on our Telegram channel, you can find a link in the description below. You will see that I actually put out a short piece of writing and then evidence showing that our government currently and selected government workers that that is actually the criminal enterprise in the country. It shows through evidence that South Africa, as the 24th largest country in the world by population, um, having the eighth largest police force in the world, if you look at policemen per 100,000 South African citizens, and being the fifth most criminal country in the world, if you look at the crime index. It tells you something. I always say, look at the evidence. And if you go and look at those links that I've put out on our Telegram channel, you can go and join us there. You can go and see the picture for yourself. The evidence is sure. Our government was always created in this governance system to fail, and the ANC had no option but to collapse in the end because we are run by a criminal enterprise, which is the South African governance system, not the ANC, all of it. Thanks so much for watching this channel, Double O Days. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And please go and join all our social media pages. We will give you more and more updates and information that you can then dissect for yourself and decide for yourself what is relevant for you to make decisions in your life. And remember, it's always about freedom, gaining more freedom instead of losing freedom. That's what's important to me, and I hope it's what's important to you.